Hello and welcome back. I found some more discs. CPM for the 128. This is diagnostic disc or something. Super Pet Tutorial. Ultimate Utilities. Set that aside. BBBS How to 8050. Huh. BBBS Virtual. Okay. Lots of stuff. 1571. Another test demo disc. Lots of discs. We have 1541 alignment calibration program. Oh yes, this is the one. Yes. 1541 diagnostic disc. Oh, that's not special. Alright. Discs, more discs. Interesting it will be to go through these at some point. Oh dear. Just a moment. Hello? Yeah? Well, not much more yet. But I'll go down and check on him. It's possible he's still asleep. I haven't heard from him. I'll call you back. Hang in there. Bye. Okay. So, as we are here in front of this drive, and here is another. Oh, what do you mean not? Oh, right. Must turn the disk drive on. Here is another. Oh, look, it's a 1571 test demo. And it seems to read. That is encouraging. So, it may mean that this one here is deficient. I'm going to set that over here. So, it is encouraging. Now, this one here, Commodore 1541 diagnostic disc version 2. I don't remember this. Let's see what this does. Consumer die, performance test, performance burn, system test, 10 pass, 100 pass, final test, disk alignment, disk format, file scratcher, consumer die burn. Well, you know, performance burn. I'm certainly going to take this discussion here. But because this disc, this 1571 disc is screwed, I don't mind using it as a blank. Oh. And of course, it's not going to do it. Let's see if we can come in here, make a quick change, run this. Device not present, 1260. Okay. So that does not quickly correct all. Alright, hello. Oh no, we do not have to. Open catalog on Unit 9. And we can load in. We should be able to deload device change. Oh, right. Comma 9. So what are we going to do? Run universal disk drive. No, yeah. Press the number for the system. Disk. Like that. 1. Current is 9. Wants to be 8. Make sure the power is off on all the drives. Press paste to change. The drive is now number 8. Is it? It is. Okay, so we have momentarily, not permanently, changed. Oh, now we will load the performance test. Isn't it magic? Now the other thing about using this disk that is not working is it may be that if the disk is really bad, that it will fail in its formatting and whatever else needed. Performance test. Oh. Yeah, this disk is bad. That is strange. So, all right, let's try something. All right, I'll try the basic forward command header, quote, crap, disk, comma, D0, comma, I, XY. I can do it? Are you sure? Yeah. That's a bad disk. All right, that's a bad disk. And we can't do it. There's another place there. Oh, for a disk launcher. For a disk launcher. Certainly, we're not going to sacrifice any disks here to do this. We are not. We need to find a suitable, completely blank disk, which of course, I mean, we have, but it's bad. Okay, well, initial findings are that this disk drive is good. That is encouraging. So, I think what we'll do then, mind you, maybe it doesn't write. Maybe the disk is not all bad. Anyway, I will ponder this. I will look for another blank disk. And maybe we'll just check out another drive. Thanks for coming. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.